Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply different gradient colors and stuff like that to your shapes or your text in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to select the star shape. I just rounded the edges a little bit because I like it like that. Then I'm going to select this gradient color, or you can select this gradient here and select it on your shape. Then go to the gradients tab, which I should have here. But if you can't, just go to window and then select gradient. Here you can change the color by clicking on the color here. You can use the eyedropper tool or simply just select the color that you want, like this. I'm going to turn up the opacity up though. Okay, maybe just a little bit. And then here's the line gradient, but you also have the radial gradient, which you can also change the angle of your gradients. I think on this one you'll be able to see it a little bit better. You also have this one, which gives you the option to add gradient wherever. Here, as you can see, just click on a part of the gradient and then it'll give you that. I don't really, to change the color, you're just going to select it and select this bit and select a color that you want, like so. Like that, as you can see. Here too, you can change the color of it like that. Maybe in this one, I'm going to add this green color, and then here I'm going to drag it all the way down here. Maybe I'm gonna choose a purple color or something like that. You can even delete parts of it if you don't want the gradient to show, like that. I think I might change this yellow to a blue. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.